Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Oge and thank you for joining me today again. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I really do appreciate it. So today I wanted to show you guys what a student apartment looks like here in Germany, or at least generally. So a few months ago, I started my internship in Stuttgart. Because that internship is just for a short period, it's for 6 months. I had to get a student appointment. I had to get a student apartment here in Stuttgart. So in Germany, there are different types of student apartments. There are WGs where you can share bathrooms and kitchens with other people, and there are single rooms, of course, where you have your room by yourself to yourself and a kitchen, and there are also like the bigger boys kind of thing, outside private residences and all of that. So here I got an apartment that is run by the Catholic Church, and they only let it out to women or ladies, because it's run by the Catholic Church nuns, I think. So not that guys can't visit. So as a resident, you can have a male visitor. They can pass the night. They can stay for a few days. They can, but they are not like the main occupants of the room. I don't know if you get my point. And then it also means that they are going to be a lot more sensitive to the fact that this building is occupied by women. So you cannot see a guy just walking around with his shorts and boxers and stuff like that, So in this building, you can have, there are rooms where you have your bathroom to yourself, and there are other rooms where you share your bathroom with other people. But of course, whichever one you choose would affect the price that you pay. For me, I chose to stay in the room where I share the bathroom with other people. I share this corner of the house of the building with three other ladies. So we're just 4 rooms in this corner, and I don't think that's too much to share. I don't think it's too much, and the price is reasonably fair as far as I'm concerned. So here I pay 362 euros a month. I think that's very fair compared to what the general price is like in Germany, because this building is in the center of Stuttgart. It's in the Stadtmitte, so it's in the center of the city. So generally, apartments like this are a lot more expensive, but because it's run by the Catholic Church, it's discounted a lot, so it's a lot more cheaper. I pay 362 euros here, and this is what I have for it. Okay, so like I said, I share this place with 3 other people. So this is my room, this is another room, and that's another room, and that's another room. And so yeah, this is the room. I'm trying to record at a wide angle, so you might notice some of the corners, some straight lines begin to look bent. I'm trying to do that anyway so that we can see a lot more of the room at a time. This first corner, I have my shoes. Because I share a bathroom, I can't hang my towel in the bathroom, so I hang my towel on this robe hook, and the second robe hook I used to hang my jacket or sweaters, depending on what time of the how cold. My skipping rope, we're doing exercise, we have to lose weight. And my yoga mat. I don't do yoga, but I do, like, I'm doing this Zumba dance thing and just trying to lose weight. This fat must fall down and die. Okay, so this is the wardrobe. The wardrobe is really big, so it accommodates everything, all my junk, all my jaga things, accommodates everything. It's pretty big. The next point is my workstation, so my reading corner and all. This room is just really functional. I told you, because I'm not here for so long, there's no point like trying to do too many fixing up to my this setup, and all of that. Just really basic. And set up my TV, my laptop. Actually, my laptop screen got bad, so I couldn't see on the screen anymore. And that's the reason why I got the TV, so I can cast the laptop on the TV and I can work, and I could as well use the TV to watch TV when I choose to, so you can serve two things, because repairing anything in this country is work. It's not a joke. And if I need to buy a new laptop, the laptop that would work for what I needed to do would probably be costing me between 3,500 to 4,000 euros. That is money that I cannot afford to spend right now. So getting this TV for me just makes sense. It's about 200 euros and it works. Yep. That's like, I have really large window. My window is so large. It's very funny that my problem with this room really is just that it's really dark. If I close my window, my curtains, it's really dark. But if I leave it open, of course, there's a lot of light. Of course, light comes in. But if I close it, it's dark because the light's here. This light is not a fantastic one, but yeah, it works anyway. I can see myself. Okay, and the bed. So everything in this room comes with the room. I mean, the furniture comes with the room. So the wardrobe, the table, the chair, the curtain came with the room, the bed, this shelf thing, everything came with the room. But the bed sheet didn't come with the room. Actually, this bed sheet, someone gave it to me. When I first came to Germany, I met this lady in the train station. I asked her questions for direction, really. And the next day, this woman came to my house with all kinds of stuff. Of course, she got my number and my address and all. And she came to the house with bed sheets, blankets, pillows, everything. And then she brought me food stuff. She got me a lot of things. Like, I've not seen somebody so nice to someone that you don't even know before. That's really fantastic. I really, really still do appreciate her. And I've been using that blanket and the blanket inner, everything she got for me. Really fantastic, fantastic woman. I don't know whose idea it was to have this. This is really dangerous. Like, someone could just hit their head on this. But they put it here to serve as a bedside lamp. But this is really dangerous, and yeah, anyway. And then underneath the bed, I have more storage, so I could store a lot more things under. So here I keep my blanket, my extra jackets, and extra bed sheets, and every other extra bed stuff. I keep fix that later. I keep there. And yeah, last but not the least is this corner. So they have this here so that if you need to brush your teeth in the morning, or wash your face or something, whatever, dress, makeup, you don't have to go to the bathroom to do all of that. So you can do that on this corner. This for me is really bulky. This shelf is really bulky, but yeah, it's here. What to do? So underneath it, I have the rest of my shoes down there, and then I have toaster, electric kettle, just to have my quick breakfast. So I don't have to go to the kitchen every time I want to do quick breakfast. And I have my bags up there. My hair things are there. This is our hair that we have to be struggling to do ourselves a lot of times. But yeah, that is it. That's the dress up corner, toothpaste, toothbrush. Yeah, it is what it is. That's just about it. Basically, this room is really basic, but it's very functional. Okay, let's go to the toilet. So the toilet I share with the other ladies, like I said, it has 2 stalls, so you can use whichever. And that's the second one. So we have cleaners come clean all the public spaces every day, while you clean your own room by yourself, of course. But for all the public spaces, there are cleaners rather that come to clean it. Bathroom is the next place. Here, this is the bathroom. With 2 stalls too. So you can keep your stuff here when you come in. There's a rope hook for you. And yep. That's it. Same thing with the second stall. Okay, so let's go to the kitchen. That's the kitchen. Microwave. So they have instruction on every corner, so you don't say you didn't understand what you're supposed to, or how the stove works, because they just try to indicate what is what, which, make life easy for you. I know. This is like our mini notice board. So here they paste, any notice that the hostel management needs. We have like a little table here for eating whatever. Nobody uses it anyway. But yes, it's there. But yeah, it's there for use. That's it for the kitchen. There's a fridge as well. So there are drawers and the fridges. Last but not the least is the laundry room. It's downstairs, so I have to it's a long walk. But yeah. These are all the other rooms. It's a really big building, so yeah. Hello, Morgan. Yeah, it's a big building, so yeah. Oh no. I forgot my key. Oops. Basement. Okay, so this is the laundry room. Everyone uses it. It's a lot of junk, but yeah. What else do I show you now? I think that's about it. All these are just different activities going on in the basement. Where the road to the office for those managing the building, and bicycles where we park our bicycles, and that door leads to the where we keep our waste bag, and from there we moved out. So yeah, that is it. Yeah, so that's it. That's what a student apartment looks like basically in Germany. Of course, the layout will be different depending on the room, depending on the owner of the house, depending on the building, generally, blah blah blah. But yeah, that's what it is here. Most buildings, most student accommodation come with all the furniture. You just come with your own personal items. If you like to add a few things to it, it's up to you. But generally, they come with the basic furniture that you need, and all of that. But if you are renting a private residence, sometimes you have to come with your kitchen. That's like the biggest thing in Germany. You have to come with your own kitchen, and then if you're moving to a different house, you move your kitchen to the new house. Or some buildings, some houses, you come with your own furniture, and all that. So thank you so much for being with me today, guys. Do have a fantastic, fantastic, fantastic week. Bye.